Hello guys, so welcome back to the classroom, and if you're watching this on YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video, I talked about the C1 signal in about under a minute and 30 seconds. I talked about the C1 signal. If you don't understand that, go back and watch that video. In this video, I'm going to take my time and talk about the baseline in agreement with the C1 signal for a standard entry. So what we mean is, if for instance we have a signal like right here, we have a signal telling us to buy, enter the trade. And it tells the enter, just tells us to buy, C1 signal, and then this candle crosses the baseline and it turns it the same color of the candle of the arrow. It's in agreement. Simple as that. If we have an arrow telling us to sell and the candle crosses the baseline and matches the arrow, the baseline is in agreement. Just as simple as that. You just want the arrow and the baseline to be in agreement. Very simple, huh? That's all I wanted to do with this video. Just want to kind of show you how when we say the baseline agrees with the C1 signal, that's what we mean. We say the C1 signal and the baseline must be the same color. This and this must be the same color. So that's our C1 signal. It's in agreement with this entire thing, this baseline right here. The baseline is that line running through this area. If they are the same color, they are in agreement. All right, so that's it for this particular video. In the next video, we're going to talk about the within 1 ATR of the baseline rule. Now, that may be a little bit longer than a minute and a half, but we'll try to keep it short as possible. Thank you guys. See you in the classroom.